Hello everyone! Today we're gonna do something sweet. I'm gonna show you how you can make crème brûlée dessert like from Michelin star restaurant at home. So take a seat and let's do it. I start with crème brûlée. So first, I will measure all ingredients: egg yolks, sugar, milk and cream. Then, I transfer milk and cream inside the pot and bring it to boil. And because I'm gonna do passion fruit crème brûlée, I have to cut few passion fruits in the half and scrape them inside the cream. And now, I'm gonna bring it to boil very slowly. In meantime, I will mix egg yolks and sugar inside the bowl. And last steps are to mix both together, pass it through the chinois, and crème brûlée mix will be done. In last minute, you can check the taste and adjust it with more sugar if you like. Next things I have to do are a raspberry sorbet and gel. So I start with basic syrup and mix the same amount of water and sugar inside the pot and bring it to boil. Then I blend fresh raspberries with water inside the blender. One half I will pass it through the chinois and use it for my sorbet. I will use egg test for the sugar ratio. So I will keep adding the syrup inside until the egg will be floating on the top like this. Then I put it inside the fridge to cool it down. Second half of the juice I put inside the pot and bring it to boil. Also, I add the rest of the syrup, few cloves and lemon juice. And guys, don't ask me for recipes for things like this. In the first place, I don't use any, and secondly, you don't need any as well. If you want your gel more sweet, put more syrup. If you like it more sour, put more lemon juice. It's easy. Learn to taste and adjust your food, guys. That's what proper chefs do, not copying exact recipes. Last thing, I put agar in, cook it for a few more minutes, pass it through the chinois, and put it inside the fridge to cool it down. And now it's time to start to cook crème brûlée. I'm gonna use these metal rings. I put cling film and tin foil on the bottom and close it properly. I put tray with water on the bottom of my oven and preheat it to 95 degrees Celsius. Then I transfer my crème brûlée mix to the metal rings and then goes inside the oven for 30 to 60 minutes, depend of the size. And because I have all the rings, different sizes, I have to take them out in different times. So when I see the mix is not wiggling too much, I will take it out one by one. So the crème brûlée is inside the fridge, so it's time to start freezing my sorbet. Also, my gels are set, so one part I will blend it inside the blender and the second one I will cut to small tapes. And guys, if you like sweet recipes like this, hit the like button and let me know in the comments what would you like to see more on my channel so I can make it for you. And if you first time here, click the subscribe button down below so you're never gonna miss any of my new video, because on this channel I gonna teach you every week how to cook like a pro at home. And last thing I have to prepare are macerated raspberries. So I mix fresh raspberries with amaretto and sugar and leave them to infuse the taste for few minutes. And at this time I have everything ready, so let's burn the brulee and start the plating. So I start with my passionfruit crème brûlée. Then is coming raspberry gel infused with cloves. Few macerated raspberries with amaretto. Few dots of raspberry gel. I have here few raspberries, which I did put inside the freezer a few hours ago, so I just break them with hands and put nice spoon on the plate. Then are coming small leaves on lemon balm. And I finish the plate with nice quenelle of raspberry sorbet. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, guys. If you would like to learn more about fine dining cooking or get my personal one-on-one online coaching, check out the links in the description down below. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.